This is the Arduino Opla IoT kit that I got for the mystery prize in the design challenge for Save the Bees. And I've assembled the carrier card with its display into the lid here, the clear lid. And you can see on the back here that the Arduino maker just plugs directly into the carrier card. I'm running from a USB power, so I don't need the battery. And then there's a backing plate that has these screw holes to mount on a wall, and it's keyed, so there it goes like this, and it just snaps in. So that's all nice and good. Note that I've put a hole here, an extra hole to hit the reset button, because I notice it doesn't reset that well on power on. However, they supply 8 IoT applications with the kit, and they have great tutorials on the Arduino website that allow you to implement each of those 8 applications. If you want to do something else, I mean, it's a very general purpose kit, you may have to do some more homework. So I had a little bit of an issue trying to figure out how to program this display, because although they give you some graphics with one of the applications, they don't really tell you how to program it. And I also had some issues with even the canned applications, because they required a down rev of the one of the Adafruit libraries. I think it's called the .star library, and it has to be 1.2.2 instead of the latest rev. Once I got all that working, it does run, and I figured out how to do some graphics. So let's put some power to it. So here's what I mean. It's not actually booting into the program very well here. So if I hit the reset button, we'll see how that works. Actually, I have to hit the reset button. There we go. So e14 graphics. This is the Arduino graphics that came with it. I still had to load all of this stuff, but they did supply the software. So here's just some testing of the various features of the device. So here we can touch these buttons. They're actually capacitive buttons that are sensed about 1/2 inch through the plastic, so it's quite sensitive. And of course it has that sound speaker built in. Here's the temperature, 25 degrees, humidity 58%, pressure is 100 kilopascals, and this has a motion sensor, so if you give it a good shake, it detects the motion. And here we're looking at the color sensor on here, which detects a color, and now it's looking for gestures. I didn't get the gestures working very well, so I bypassed them, but they detect hand swipes across the top using the light sensor. Here's a relay test, so you can see if I can turn it on, this one on and off, and go to the next one. So relay number 2, on, off, and we've completed the little test application and the final graphic that I programmed into it. So that's a quick overview of some of the features in this Opla kit, just to show what it is. And it actually, all the canned applications that they provide have some sort of IoT connection, so they connect to the cloud. And the kit itself comes with a 1-year free subscription to the Arduino cloud. However, I'm not going to start that until I have a real application for this, so we'll be checking those out as soon as I have a real application. But it's a nice little kit. It just all snaps together. It's very nice.